What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back up at this new job. If you saw either of my last two videos, you know that I have this platform for our Skytrak in the bed of my truck here, which was eventful just getting it loaded in here. I have a video recorded on here just getting this in the bed of my truck. This is actually the third video I'm making today, but we need to get it out. Unfortunately, the Skytrak is a bit occupied right now. These guys have this front gable wall framed and sheathed up on top of the deck up there. We are about ready to try and stand it up. We have the forks through the window. I'm hoping that I can lift it, let it kind of slide off the front above the garage doors and stand up against the headgear on the forks right inside the window. And then we can just lift it straight up, drop it down on the plate and nail it in place, brace it up. Not sure how well that's going to work, but we're going to keep our fingers crossed that it goes nice and smooth. And then after that, we can get this out of my truck. We wanted to bring this here just so we have an easy way to work around this building rather than being stuck on scaffolds or extension ladders the whole time. But they're just bracing that wall a bit across so it's a little bit more sturdy, and then we're going to try and stand this thing up. All right, we have the front gable standing up, all sheathed. That is a very heavy wall. Luckily, we had this machine here which helped it go surprisingly smooth. It was just a matter of getting it stood up on the forks in the top of the window there, rather than how we had it kind of flat with the forks going up the gable. But they're just getting it all braced, leveled, and nailed off, and then we can move on. Yeah, I know, it's the wheel wells, I think.
Over there.
Oh, it's caught on the outside of the racks. See that? Yeah. Maybe you can push it while I drive forward?
Hey, ven acá.
right, guys, we got the front wall all stood up and braced. We have this back gable wall about halfway framed. We are running short on material, so I'm going to take a trip to Page in the morning and pick up the rest of the material that we need. But I have our Skytrak back here ready to go for once I'm back with the material to finish this up. While I'm gone and the guys are waiting for me in the morning, they're going to work on the first floor and get it all sheathed. Hopefully by the time I get here they have a good jump on that, but once I get here we're going to finish this, stand this wall up. All of these sidewall studs are already cut down on the ground, so those will go up quick. This is really the tough part. You guys saw that one. You didn't see us really frame it, but you saw us stand it up. Luckily we have our machine here, so it did go fairly easy. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.